You've probably seen the Hume Body Pod all over your feed, promising far more than a basic smart scale. In this Hume Body Pod review, I'm putting the Hume Health Body Pod through its paces to answer the questions you should ask before spending your money. So first, why buy the Hume Pod in the first place? Two people can weigh the same and still vary different amounts of fat and muscle. After a month of strength training, a basic scale may barely move, even while your body composition does change. The Hume Health Pod approaches this with a fuller body composition scan, giving you more context for why your body may be changing. And if that sounds useful, my discount is below or on the QR code. The progress is hard enough without paying extra for the scale. That brings us to the biggest buying question. What do you get when you choose the Body Pod? The platform and retractable handle create 8 contact points across your hands and feet. This allows the scale to estimate the body composition across your arms, legs, and torso. For me, that becomes useful when I change my training. If I put more work into my upper body, I can watch whether those estimates begin shifting across specific regions over time. The Hume Health Body Pod also gives you 45 different measurements. Though I doubt you will study every one each morning, I focus on a smaller group, like body fat, muscle mass, lean mass, visceral fat, hydration, heart rate, and longer-term trends behind them. The Hume Health app is where those numbers become easier to follow. It turns each scan into charts, progress trends, and weekly insights, and it can connect with your Apple Health, Google Health Connect, Fitbit, and Garmin. What I absolutely love about the app, first of all, was as soon as I unboxed the scale, I wanted to hook it up to the app. I just went to the body tab within the app, and it immediately connected me Bluetooth-wise to the scale. The second thing I absolutely loved was as soon as I did my first scan, I got all this data instantly. You could scroll through it and look at your weight, body fat percentage, lean mass. I mean, anything you get curious about your body, it was there. And yes, it did highlight that I am getting a bit more fat because yes, I'm a dad. I'm coming out of having 3 back-to-back kids. My youngest is 6 months old. So yes, I have put on a few pounds, and the app did not shy away from telling me that. What I also appreciate is that the showcase for all 45 metrics are available for free in the app. Hume Plus upgrade plan costs $9.99 per month and adds features such as nutrition planning, personalized coaching, and deeper reports. But everything else is free. Before I show you what daily use looks like, I've left a special Hume Health deal in the description below. You can also scan the QR code on screen to check it out. Now let's look at what the Hume Body Pod is like once the novelty wears off. The minimalist glass built into the display, the retractable handle, and rechargeable battery give it a polished feel. I'd be comfortable leaving it out in the bathroom, which also makes regular use easier, and that's exactly what I did. It left it right out in plain sight, so every time I was changing, going a different part of my day, I walked by the scale and did a full body scan. The initial setup is handled through the Hume Health app, where you pair the scale with your phone over Bluetooth. For each measurement, place the body pod on a hard, level floor, open the app, step on it barefoot, and hold the handle with your arms slightly away from your body. The full routine fits easily into a morning. Use the bathroom, scan before breakfast, and review the results in the app right after the measurement. When people compare the best smart scales, this daily experience deserves as much attention as the metric count. The charts encourage you to watch your progress over several weeks, which gives those measurements actual meaning rather than a quick glance each morning. And that for me is a huge plus because when you're using a basic scale, it's really up to you to track your own data. And let's be honest, most of us using a basic scale are not going to track our weight and other metrics on a daily basis. What the Body Pod does is put all those charts into the app so you can see your progress if you're really trying to lose weight or increase some other metric about your life. Hume says the Body Pod supports up to 24 user profiles, and that's a lot. That makes it practical for a household, since each person can keep their measurements and trends inside a separate account. So, convenience is one thing, but we all know that accuracy is where the Body Pod has to prove its value. Hume advertises 98% DEXA accuracy. DEXA is a clinical scan that uses low-dose x-rays to estimate bone density and body composition, so that comparison sets a high bar. A home test can't verify Hume's percentage, so I'd focus on whether my body fat and muscle estimates follow a consistent direction across several weeks. Hydration, meals, exercise, sleep, and measurement timing can all shift BIA results. A scan after an evening workout may look different from one taken first thing in the morning. Therefore, keeping the same routine gives those trends more meaning. Individual results will vary, so I pay closer attention to consistency across repeated scans than any single number. The summarize, where does this all leave the Hume Body Pod? This is still a consumer health device, so a laboratory level precision sits outside what I expect from it. What impressed me the most while making this Hume Body Pod review was the combination of detailed body composition estimates, a polished app, and clear long-term trends. It suits people who enjoy tracking progress and want more context behind changes in weight, muscle, and body fat. And I'll be honest, it won't suit every buyer, though it makes a convincing case as one of the stronger premium options for anyone searching for the best smart scale. As I've mentioned before, my special discount is in the description or scan the QR code on screen. That wraps up my Body Pod review. To see how the scale fits into Hume's wider ecosystem, watch my Hume Band 2.0 review next. The band tracks daily activity, sleep, and recovery, while the Body Pod adds body composition trends, giving you a broader view of all your progress. And until next time, I'll see you later.